Bentley, what do you think you're doing, huh? What are you doing? You digging?
What's on your face? Look at you. You're a disgrace.
You're a mess. We got work to do today. We got work to do. What do you think you're doing? Don't get me all muddy. What's up, guys? What's back with Auto Mafia? Today we're working on Project Hurricane. We're just gonna do a quick how-to video for you. Since we put our hood back on, I don't know where my prop rod is, and I don't really like prop rods, so we're gonna install a strut kit. Now, the one we're buying is by MMD. You can pick it up pretty cheap, but it's virtually gonna be the same instructions for almost any hood strut kit. This one is a direct bolt-on for your 2005 to 2014 Mustang GTs and your V6s. So ours is obviously V6. We're gonna bolt it on now. Pretty simple, guys. When you open the box, there's gonna be another set of this. We already went ahead and installed the other side, but this is going to be your lower bracket, and they are marked. So this one has a PL, so this is the passenger side lower bracket. This is the upper bracket, and it is also marked passenger side upper. So pretty easy. We'll show you where these go, and we'll get them done. So first things first, guys, your lower goes right back here using the factory bolt. You're just gonna pull that bolt out in the fender, and then you're gonna reinstall it. And we are sliding ours all the way forward towards the front of the car so that it matches up side to side. Now remember, guys, even if you're watching the video, make sure to read the instructions. They will help you if you miss anything. The 11 to 14 generally has another little bracket you gotta move down, and it will say it in the directions. We don't have that installed in our car, so we can't show you. But other thing is, remember to keep your hood propped while you do this, because the one that you have is not gonna hold it up. So that one right there doesn't hold it up by itself. You need both of them. Next step, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take off the top bolt for the hood. Okay, this is on the passenger side. Taking that top bolt completely out, because this bracket is your upper, and that top bolt's gonna go in that hole. Now the slot for the lower, all we're gonna do is loosen the lower, just enough to be able to slide this in. Once it's slid in, looks like we're close. A little more room. So once you have it slid in, then you're just going to reinstall the upper. So you'll see it'll slide in just like that, and then we can reinstall the upper bolt. Now it may take a little moving around to make sure to get it lined up, but once you have it in the correct spot, it'll be set in the hole, and then you can tighten them up. Make sure as you do this that you're making sure everything is lined up the same. That way your hood closes properly and everything lines up. After you install this, you're probably gonna have to go back and adjust them just a little bit to make sure all your gaps and everything are good on your hood and it closes properly. Once you get the bolts tightened up, you can go ahead and install the strut. We're putting the big end towards the top, guys, like we did over there. That's just how we're doing it. Now you're gonna take the little pin out first so that it'll slide on easier. It literally just slides out down the bottom and then around it. So fairly simple. You can slide it in and then slide it up and on. Once it's clipped in, you can swing it down, and then you're gonna line it up with the bottom. And once you install the lower, you're gonna slide the clip back in, and then you can remove your hood prop. So just like that, guys, we have installed hood struts on a 2005 to 2014 S197 Mustang. So there you guys go. That is our how-to on installing hood struts on your Mustang. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And of course, keep coming back for more. We're gonna keep uploading at least a couple videos a week, so stay tuned.